All right, we are back. We are rolling out a recipe from trinicooks.com, and this is one that I can take some credit for. I came up with this one. I have Jamie Thomas with me bravely. You see, kind of what you see, I'm here. I'm not sure what I'm doing.
No.
What I'm here.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm here to serve.
So all of this that we're doing here, Jamie, is that this is a process of just flavoring the oil. So I put my Kent olive oil in here, and the garlic is flavoring the oil.
Nice.
What are we doing this morning? I called this one, wait for it, the Dougla penne pasta with meat sauce.
Right.
So you know meat sauce.
The Dougla.
Yeah, it's the Dougla version.
Right. Yeah.
We trinified it.
All right. Good.
You know the meat sauce, tomatoes,
yes,
peppers.
yes.
Yeah, and that is normally
Familiar.
with Italian flavors.
Yes.
People use it in lasagnas. They do bolognese, spaghetti and bolognese,
Love
with
it.
nice meat sauce. I love those Italian flavors. But this is how my mind kind of works. So when I see something, I said, I've eaten that already. I wonder if I put curry flavors to the meat sauce,
Right.
what would happen?
What would happen?
I did it.
All right.
It was a success. So I'm going to experiment on you this morning.
I can't wait.
So Jimmy, first thing, my garlic is getting nice and toasty. So the oil, once the garlic, you don't want to burn it, which it's, just be careful it's not burning now. So I can take this garlic out now and just rest it here and leave it there. It has done its purpose.
Okay.
I want you know, this is curry powder,
Right.
a little bit of gram masala, and geera.
Right.
So this is, I'm telling you, I learned anything proper. I try to do the proper
Try
curry.
to remember.
To do a curry is intimidating for me sometimes because I can't do curry like how our East Indian society does curry and when I want to lick my finger. But I'm trying.
Okay.
Add a little water.
A little.
Let me add the water used to.
Let's keep it safe. All right.
So I'm adding a little water.
Right.
Stir and get it paste-like.
Paste-like. All right.
Stir. I need a little more water there.
Yeah, probably. All right.
Stir.
All right.
Jamie's on the stir.
Hey! Look at this.
Jamie's on the stir.
All right,
A
more.
little more.
All right. Okay.
Hot oil.
Nice with the All right.
You're going to take this water,
Right.
nice blended curried water there,
Right.
and toss it in here.
All right.
Just pour gently.
Okay.
Just pour gently.
Whoa.
That's what we want, Jimmy. Go brave. Go brave. I am going to start stirring. Pour all, Jimmy.
Pour all.
All.
All right. Okay.
I am going to start now. If you were in the kitchen, you would be enjoying what we are smelling here.
Smells good.
You don't want to burn the curry, so you got to keep stirring. Once it gets, you have to cook off the curry as well.
Okay.
I'm going to lower my fire down a bit. Stir. This is just for about a minute.
Right.
This is called cooking off the curry.
Okay. All right.
If I'm using any wrong term, yeah,
I won't be able to.
I know what I'm doing here. But you're stirring.
Right.
You're smelling the curry.
Smells wonderful.
You don't want to taste that harshness
No,
of the curry.
no.
So
Right.
you're literally allowing the oil to do its thing with the curry. Get that nice paste-like. Yeah?
Right.
Once you get this,
Right.
I add some onions
All right.
and keep stirring.
Smells wonderful.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right? I want this, Jimmy. The onions now will release some water. And it will release some of its natural juices. And it will just get happy there and come together.
Right.
This is the base of
curry. Right.
what
We
we're
on
going
the
to do
curry.
with the meat sauce.
Right.
Now, normally, as I said, you would start adding things like oregano and Italian seasonings and that sort of thing.
Right.
The base of this, when you taste the meat sauce, you're supposed to get a nice little hint of our curry with the meat sauce and the tomatoes and that kind of thing.
All right.
So this is good now, Jimmy.
All right. So this is the Caribbean flavor that lays the foundation.
Right. We're not in Italy.
No.
We are in Trinidad.
We
and the Caribbean.
still across here. Right.
This here now, mincemeat. Pour this in for me, Jimmy. You can use one of these utensils here.
All right.
Now, simple season. Go ahead, you pour. Simple salt, pepper, a little bit of Trini green seasoning.
Nice.
It's not much mats in there.
Right.
Probably a little bit of cayenne pepper if you're so inclined. And you add that to your curry base with your onions, and you brown this meat up.
All right. No more water, no more liquid.
No more, because the meat is going to release its natural juices.
All right.
Right? So you just allow it. Cooking sometimes is just taking time. Don't hurry the pot.
Just let it relax.
Let it do what it has to do.
Right.
Let the onions get to know the meat.
Right. Form a relationship
The curry
in there.
meat, that's right.
Form the relationship with the food. Right.
Jimmy,
I like this.
Jimmy,
Yeah.
do you enter the kitchen at home at all?
Yes. For breakfast. I'm a breakfast guy. I am good at breakfast.
You do eggs?
I can do pancake. Listen,
Serious?
I have a wicked omelet.
See what I
Like
mean?
if you had eggs here, I would have showed you, but
No, well, I'm going to bring eggs back, and we're going to do eggs.
I have a wicked omelet, and I can do pancakes.
You serious? So that's
As a matter of fact, I have a healthy pancake that's made out of oatmeal. I blend up the oatmeal, and instead of using flour, I use the oatmeal flour.
Jimmy's going to bring that recipe to us, and we're
Right,
going to do that recipe.
next show, next time, right?
You see
No, but this looks really
you see
good,
what's
right?
happening
So
here?
the meat begins to release the water,
Yeah.
so that it's moistening up the stuff. I got you. I'm getting it right. Okay, good. All right.
Jimmy Thomas just described pure heaven with food there.
All right. So the relationship is now really being, solidified. They're joining.
That's right. That's right. Can I get my peppers now?
Peppers. Okay.
So
green pepper.
we're adding some peppers to
Right.
it. Yeah.
The whole thing?
The whole thing.
Sprinkle it around.
The good thing about this, Jimmy,
Yes.
is that just in case you missed something, or one of the viewers would have missed something, you can go on TriniCooks.com and get my Dougla penne pasta with meat sauce. Try the recipe. Trust me, I tried it, and I just was excited to bring it on Cup of Joe this season.
I'm looking forward to try this.
Yeah.
Right. So we're still kind of Caribbean.
That's right.
We're still kind of coming across been beginning to make the journey, maybe.
Probably.
All right.
As I said, it's what the Italian flavors would have normally taken up, because that would have been Italian tomatoes. We'd have got lots of Italian flavor. Think of a lasagna.
No, I know, I got it. It's
Yeah.
crystal clear in my mind.
When you taste this,
Right.
it's like you'll be transmitted to a different part. You're eating pasta and tomatoes and meat sauce,
But you're tasting that
somewhere
hint
you're somewhere in the country in Trinidad, deep south, eating the best curry of your life.
And this seems like a simple meal
It is.
to make. For somebody like me who doesn't cook, maybe I could try to attempt this. It doesn't look that complex.
So if I could do it, Jamie, you can do it.
Not necessarily. But we'll go with that.
Jimmy,
Right?
you see what's happening here?
It's looking really good.
Vegetables getting nice and tender.
Yes, very
I
nice.
want you now to carefully take the tomato sauce
Ooh.
and add the tomato sauce to that now.
All right.
So these are chunky tomatoes. You can't use regular tomatoes, but I really just needed the tomato out of the can because I wanted the liquid.
Right.
I wanted to add some liquid now. So the tomatoes out of the can. Don't use there are those tomatoes in the can that are Italian flavored.
You don't want no flavor.
I want
No,
pure.
we doing the flavor. We doing the
we
flavor.
controlling the flavor in this.
Don't
in this
bring
bag.
Italy flavor
no,
into
no,
the
no,
can.
No, no.
We
Please,
doing the flavor.
please.
All right.
All right.
Whoa! The colors are amazing.
See what I mean? You see
Right,
what I mean?
that
You eat
red
with
with
your
that-
eyes, you know.
Yeah.
You eat with your eyes. So you see red, you see green, you see the brown meat, everything. You eat with your eyes.
No, it looks great.
You get this
Like
together.
my mouth is watering right now, right? So I can't wait till it's completed because it smells wonderful.
Who cooks for you now, Jamie?
My wife.
Outside of breakfast?
My wife.
Thank God for her.
And listen, she's a wonderful cook,
Thank God for her.
right? Yes. So God had a plan,
So salt,
right?
a little bit of pepper. All right, don't overseason.
You can do
because
you can't. That,
I tried it, it didn't
All right,
work
no,
with me.
then
Yeah,
all right,
I
yeah.
tried it a couple times when it was in
Right,
there.
yeah, no,
It didn't
no,
work. I
didn't
just
work,
say,
all
all
right.
right, just
I
leave,
got you.
leave that alone, Joel, you know, that kind of thing.
okay, that's pepper though.
Are you, come on.
No, I
no?
don't. But a little pepper is good.
Because you said no, I'm going very light.
Okay, right.
Because you said
yeah,
no.
a little kick is good.
But I like that because I
You're
like
a pepper
to
guy?
cook with it. No, I'm not.
Okay.
My grandfather back in the day, and they stayed with me, and he's passed on now. He said, I want to taste my food. Do not give me any pepper, please.
Right.
And that stayed with me.
Right.
As much as I like pepper sometimes.
Because it can be overpowering.
Yeah. All right?
Wow, look at how this is bubbling though. It is bubbling.
Jimmy, I want folks to understand that you leave this here,
For how long?
cover it down. Yeah, get it there, yeah. Cover it down. Lower the heat down as much as you can.
Right.
And leave it for about 10, 15 minutes.
You sure? It's not
Leave
gonna
it.
burn.
You can check it every 5 minutes or so.
All right.
Give it a nice little stir, but
Okay.
leave it. Let the flavors come together.
Okay,
It
I
is
got
the most important part of the dish to
Right.
allow it to do its thing.
Got you.
The beauty of television cooking.
Right, look at that. Voila.
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 This is what when it.
Okay.
This is what it would look
All right,
like.
good.
You see that pasta you have there?
Yep. What am I doing with it?
Pick it up.
Pick it up.
Freeze. Because we're taking a short break.
Right.
When we come back, we'll toss that in here and serve it up.
Lovely.
That wasn't so hard, was it?
Lovely.
We take a short break. Jamie Thomas is in the building. We taste up next on the tasting table. Try this recipe, guys. My Dougla penne pasta with meat sauce. Thank you, Jamie, for being a sport. We're coming back.